Expressing gratitude every single day allows you to completely transform your mindset and experience in an instant, no matter what is happening in your life or in the world around you. But are you finding it difficult to make gratitude as your daily habit? Then this video is for you. Hi, this is Sharayu Sagar. I am a life and happiness coach. Friends, today I am going to share with you the power of expressing gratitude every single day and also three simple ways that will help you to make gratitude as your daily habit. So let's quickly dive in. Friends, expressing gratitude is one of the highest emotional states that you can experience. But then, why do we find it difficult to make gratitude as our daily habit? It's because we are culturally conditioned to focus on what we don't have instead of appreciating what we have received and achieved in our life. And also remember, being grateful isn't simply thanking the divine power that you believe in for everything that's good in your life, but it's actually about feeling a profound sense of thankfulness deep in your heart and recognizing how incredibly fortunate you are to be alive, living the life that you have. And when you make being grateful as your daily habit, you feel true joy and contentment no matter what you have or don't have in your life. And also, as law of attraction says, like attracts like, being grateful will naturally attract more of the things that you can be grateful for in your life. So this is the power of expressing gratitude every single day. So now let's move towards our three simple ways that will help you to make gratitude as your daily habit. Number one is set a time every day. So the first step for you is to set a specific time every single day where you consciously appreciate all the things that you have and encounter in your life. Decide that very specific time, whether it's in the morning when you wake up or just before you go to sleep, or is it when you are on your way towards your work. Decide that time and then stick to it. Now here comes the number two. Appreciate everything that you encounter. So after setting the specific time of your day, consciously appreciate all that you have and encounter in your life. The home that you live in, the people that you are surrounded with, the technology that you use, the street signals that makes it easy for you to know where you're going, the rain that is nourishing the plants and the trees, and so on. Consciously appreciate everything that you encounter every single day. So the number three is look for good in every situation. Friends, always look for good in all the situations, even for those who you would normally view as negative. Let me give you my example. When I had a cramp in my ankle, I was not allowed to trek. In that situation, instead of feeling sad about not being able to trek, I just focused what good can I see in this situation. And to my surprise, I found that I was made to do some core strengthening exercises which I was thinking to do from a long time but was not able to do. And only because I decided to focus on good in that situation, I was able to find one. Instead of feeling sad or unhappy, I felt so happy and grateful at that moment. So, friends, always look for good in every situation. That will help you to be happier in your life. So, friends, this is all about today's video, wherein I have shared the power of expressing gratitude every single day, and also the three simple ways which, if you practice on a daily basis, is a great mindfulness technique and will help you to turn gratitude into your daily habit so that you can attract more joy and abundance into your life. So see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care. Namaste.